All right, last video of the day. I was having a discussion earlier today about how to get referrals. Referrals are free, and you can get referrals from clients you've already sold a policy to that you maybe purchased through a lead or whatnot. You may have paid 30 cents, you may have paid $30 for that lead, and you help them out. If you weren't able to help them out and they can't afford it, you can always ask them, do you have any other friends or family members or neighbors or whatever that you know that still need some coverage? You'd be happy to help them out. If you did help them out, you can say the same thing. Just say, I'll treat them with the same level of professionalism that I've treated you. Here's what I know. Birds of a feather flock together, right? So diabetics know other diabetics. And so if you've been able to get somebody coverage and get them standard or pretty good rate or whatever, and that has the diabetes, you can say, well, anybody else that's battling that or has some health conditions that's been having trouble obtaining life insurance, I'd be happy to give them a call and see if there's something I can help them out. They're probably really glad that you connected us. So that's one way to do it with somebody you've already closed on. Another thing is P&C agents, property and casualty agents working for the big houses. I won't name the names of the companies for legal reasons, but you know all the companies out there, all the commercials for home and auto and all that other stuff. They sell life insurance, but their life insurance is typically junk. I mean, I tell people, you can buy a 2-liter Pepsi at the convenience store, but if you go to the actual grocery store that specializes in food products, you're going to get a better price. Same thing, you buy life insurance from a P&C agent, they can offer it to you. It's usually really strict underwriting. They decline people right and left, but the pricing is usually horrible, and compared to what we can do with an actual life insurance company that specializes in life insurance. And plus, I tell P&C agents all the time, if they can't afford your product or if they get declined and you look like you failed them, let me save your reputation. Let me save your name, and send me anybody you got that couldn't afford what you got, or that they got declined or whatever. Let me step in there and help them get coverage. I promise you, they'll call you and say, thank you for connecting me with Victor Jones or whoever your agent is. They'll be glad that they didn't just give up on you, that they saw it through to make sure they got covered. And I even tell them, I said, look, I'll tell them, hey, you're using John for your home and auto. Yeah, he's a friend of mine. He does great work with home and auto stuff. It's just his specialty isn't life insurance, and that is my specialty. And he asked me if I would help you out, and I'm happy to do that for any of John's clients. It's free of charge. We'll look into this for you. So, and I would go to any networking events you can in your city. I go to quite a few a week. Just get to know all the P&C agents. Hey, can I get a cup of coffee, a beer, lunch, something with you sometime, and see if we can work together. I may get some P&C leads from time to time. Somebody says, well, you don't do anything with home and auto, do you? And I'm like, well, no, I don't, but let me give you John's information, and I'll give John a big referral and build him up or whatever. So those are ways that you can expand your business portfolio, and you get 10 P&C agents in your back pocket, or realtors, that just closed on a home. That you go to Realtors Association, loan officers, all those types of people. Buying a home and getting a mortgage is one of the more common triggers for someone wanting to get life insurance, because they got this big liability out there right now the husband and wife went into, and they want to make sure they don't leave that behind. That's how mortgage protection industry started. And whether you write mortgage protection or just fully underwritten life insurance policies, it doesn't really matter. But having those contacts can be very valuable to you, and they are for me. So hope that helps, guys. Get out there, get some referrals, and make some sales. All right, take care. God bless.